Okay, page 231. 231 is about reference materials, and we talked about these yesterday. Don't forget to put your name on the top of your paper. Okay, let's look at our words here. We've got blur, suspicious, strike, harvest, belief, or right. Okay, each sentence shows a word in italics, and the word italics is in italics, so that's what they're talking about. Use a dictionary to answer the questions about the words or to help you use them in a sentence. So you're going to have to pay attention to what each one of these is asking you to do. For instance, the first one says the word blur can be used as what parts of speech? Okay, so I'm going to have to get a dictionary. You notice I've already got it opened up to B. I'm going to use my guide words. B-L-U-E is where this stops. Blur ends with an R, so I'm going to flip. And I'll look at these. Blueberry and blurt. Oh, there's my R. So I know it's going to be on this page, and if you look, there it is. Blur. Okay. It can be a verb, to make or become dim or hard to see, to smudge or smear. I blurred my reporter spilling milk on it. Noun, something that is blurred. Okay, blur, again, verb. Blurred, blurring, those are all verbs. Noun, plural, blurs. Okay? So, I now know, according to my dictionary, that it can be two different parts of speech. So, on my paper, I'm going to put it can be a noun or a verb. Okay? So, and I'm going to capitalize this. It can be a noun or a verb. Okay? Punctuation. All right, let's look at what the other ones are telling us to do. How many syllables does the word suspicious have? So we're going to look that up and see how many syllables this word has, and then write it on the line and tell me how many. Use the word strike with a different meaning in two sentences. So I'm going to look up the word strike, see what its definitions are, and then I'm going to use it in two different sentences. So there's going to be one sentence here and another sentence here using the word strike. Okay? So you're using the word and strike in two different sentences with different meanings. What guide words are found at the top of the page which harvest appears? So I'm going to look up the word harvest. I'm going to look for the guide words, and then you're going to tell me what those are. According to your dictionary, which syllable of belief is stressed? Is the stressed syllable. How can you tell? Look at it. You should be able to tell by your dictionary which syllable is stressed. Okay? And then lastly, use the word right with a different meaning in two sentences. So again, you're going to look up the word right, see what the definitions are, and use it appropriately in two different sentences. You're not writing the definition, you're writing sentences. And here, you're not writing the definition, you're writing sentences using this word. Okay? Okay, now it's your turn.